Hmm? Chitragupta is the one. Remember, I'm reminding all of us that one day all of us will have to leave here too and go. What are we doing for the rest of our life? What are we going to do from here onward for the rest of our life? Think about it. So he says that all of these sinful actions will be forgiven. Kashta, the pain at Daridra, we will not live in poverty. We saw the life of Sudama. He chose that life. Hmm? Because of his action. The Rishi wife forced him and said, you will, all your life, you will live like that. Bhagavan Krishna, his friend said, the time will come for that too, and you will have to go through it. And so all of us too. Our karma, we have to go through whatever trials and tribulation. We cannot, bhajan, the person say, likhe. Whatever is likhe for us, we'll have to go through it. We cannot evade it. Priya Janma say Viyojan. All your loved ones will be protected through your prayer. Don't we pray for our family? This year we pray for our family, everybody that comes to the mandir is our family. We are all related to Bhagavan. And so we pray for the welfare of everyone. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhuyat. We do that. Shatru means enemy. We will have no enemy. Nobody will be our enemy. In fact, Bhagavan Krishna says, no one is our enemy. Advishta sarva bhutana. Advishta, nobody is our enemy. We are the enemies of our own self. It is because of the activities which we do indulge that either be beneficial or disruptive to us. If we consume beverages that will be harmful to us, who is putting it into our mouth? Similarly, if we live a righteous life, try to at all times, we will be successful, we will be protected. Prahalad went through so much of trials and tribulation. What kept him alive? His faith in God. His faith in God. Bhagavan Sab Antaryami Huna. He's the knower of everything. He's here and there and everywhere. Let us think about it that way. Dasya, we will not become a servant to anybody. Only God, Mahavir Swami, the great Dasi, Bhagavan. Weapon will not destroy us. Mother is saying that you will be protected from people who try to harm you. I will protect you. You will be protected from fire and flood. And be very fortunate not to experience those natural disasters that are taking place in our country right now. It is because of our faith and love for God is protecting all of us. He's protecting us. See that? And here he says, and anywhere and any time. कभी भी कष्ट नहीं होगा. नहीं means will not occur. We will always be protected. So this is the assurance that Mother is giving to all of us. And in the final one, it says, Bhaiya, let me sing it, please. Play it. जय जय दुर्गे भवानी माँ, जय जय दुर्गे भवानी माँ, यत्र तत्र पातये समयं नित्यमयन्तनी मम सदा नातद्विमोक्षयामि तन्निन्द्यं तत्र मे चित्तं. जय जय दुर्गे भवानी माँ. So what is it saying here now? It says, is ghar mein, is ghar means house, in whose home मेरे इस महात्माया का नित्य समाया कर, that in whose home this path is being done and read, or this puja is being done, the prayers to me is being done properly. Please look at that word. Properly. So not everybody qualified to read it for you and interpret it. Good? Where it is done properly, not haphazardly, properly. Daily says it. सम्यक रूप एक पाठ होता है, पाठ, इसी दुर्गा पाठ, उसका मैं परित्याग नहीं करती. It means that I will not abandon that family. I will not abandon, नहीं करती. अपितु वहाँ मैं सदा और उसके समीप निवास करती हूँ. This is again a promise from Mother to all of us that I shall always remain in the proximity of your home and give protection to you and your family. So that you know, this is in the gist of the message that Mother wants all of us to accept and to implement in our daily lives. She is giving us the assurance that by making this sacrifice which all of us have done, that we will be blessed. We will receive her blessing, and our lives will continue to progress and to be prosperous. And she will protect all of us from natural disaster. प्रेम से बोलो श्री नव दुर्गा माता की जय।